Demystifying Adjective Collocations with Uncountable Nouns. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of advanced vocabulary and collocations. Our focus is on a common challenge that even experienced learners might face: misusing adjectives with uncountable nouns. So buckle up and get ready to sharpen your English skills. Before we delve into the core topic, let's quickly recap what uncountable nouns are. Unlike countable nouns, uncountable nouns are things that we can't count individually. They often refer to whole groups or quantities that are hard to count or measure, like water, advice, information, or happiness. They generally don't take a plural form or use a or in before them. So, what's the big deal about using adjectives with uncountable nouns? Well, the adjective that you choose must make sense with the uncountable noun. Some adjectives fit better with countable nouns, and others with uncountable ones. For example, we say, a piece of useful advice, not, a piece of useful advices. The term, advices, is incorrect because advice is an uncountable noun. Let's look at some common mistakes and how to correct them. Incorrect. I have an important news to tell you. Correct. I have some important news to tell you. News is an uncountable noun, so we don't use a or n before it. Incorrect. Can you give me an advice? Correct. Can you give me some advice? Again, advice is uncountable. We use some, not a or an. Incorrect. She has a beautiful hair. Correct. She has beautiful hair. Hair, when talking about the entirety of someone's hair, is uncountable. So we don't use a before it. The key to mastering adjective and uncountable noun collocations is practice. Try to use these collocations in your everyday speech and writing. The more you use them, the more naturally they'll come to you. And that's it for today's lesson, folks. We hope you've learned something new about using adjectives with uncountable nouns. Remember, English is a rich and diverse language with a few tricky spots. But with practice and patience, you'll master it in no time. See you in our next video.